Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the device. This prevents accidental taps or damage. Place it on a flat, lint-free surface so the protector won't catch debris. Once done, inspect all four corners. Pick the one with the smallest gap. You want a starting point, not perfection. Use a fingernail, adhesive tab, or plastic pick to get under the edge. Gently wiggle to loosen a corner. The goal is to create a tiny lift without bending the glass or tearing the protector. With a corner lifted about 5 to 10 millimeters, maintain a low angle, around 30 degrees, to reduce stress on the screen. You should pull slowly and evenly. Quick jerks can crack tempered glass or leave adhesive residue. If the protector resists, slide dental floss behind it in a sawing motion or stick tape to the lifted edge and pull. Make sure to follow the line of removal so any shards, if present, stay on the protector and not on the screen. Once the protector is off, examine the screen under good light for residue or micro scratches. This explains the why. Cleaning ensures proper adhesion for a new protector. Use a microfiber cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl to remove adhesive. Wipe in one direction, then dry. If you plan to reapply a protector, make sure no dust remains. If you see cracks or glass fragments, stop and cover the screen. Make sure to get professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.